Hey everyone, this video is a hair tutorial where I am showing you how I recreated this look, kind of like a beachy, wavy look with a curling iron. So if you are interested in watching, stay tuned. All right, getting right into it. I am starting on a 3-day post blown out hair. I blew it out myself. I did not go get it professionally done. And I'm going to touch it up today and give myself kind of like loose wave, a little bit of body. I'm first gonna start with the Amika Dry Shampoo. I'm gonna shake it up and I am going to spray kind of at the root. Okay, I'm gonna take a paddle brush and I'm gonna brush through. Okay, after the Perk Up Dry Shampoo, I'm gonna go in with the Amika Silken Up, which is a dry conditioner, and kind of halfway down, but not at the root. Okay, and again, going to brush through. All right, now I'm gonna section off my hair. I kind of like to go like from the middle to kind of like right at my ear. And that'll separate the front so I can focus on how I want it to fall away from my face. Then I'll take another section kind of like behind my ear. Twist that away. All right, so now with this section that is out, I will take a curling iron. This is, I think like a 3/4 inch. And just in vertical sections, I'm going to kind of spiral away from my face, but as I'm bringing it down and I'm twisting, I don't know if you can see, like I'm pulling. You see how it's kind of like twisting up there? And I'm gonna keep twisting, and it's gonna give me kind of a wave, and I kind of keep the bottom part kind of like straight and piecey. So now that I have completed the wave, I'm literally just going to run my fingers through it. Kind of rake it with my fingers and a fluff. If I feel I kind of need to fix something for like uniformity's sake, I'll kind of go back in. Let that cool for a sec. And I'll kind of like at the root, give me a little volume. Sometimes you can take care of that with a texturizing spray. And that's it.